In the present video, we are going to talk about remainders. Now, as far as remainders are concerned, the way we actually can express any number, let's say 47, what happens when 47 is divided by 5, right? So when 47 is divided by 5, what happens is I get a 5 9 the 45 and the remainder is 2. So I can actually write 47 as the divisor multiplied by the quotient plus remainder, right? So in case there is a number 47, right, and I need to know what is the remainder when 47 is divided by 5, I'll just do a simple division and find out the remainder. However, things can get a little bit more complicated if, let's say, somebody asks me what the remainder is when 47 plus, let's say, 41, this sum is divided by 5. Now I know that 47, it leaves a remainder 2. 41, it leaves a remainder, so when I divide 41 by 5, I get 5 8 the 40 and 1 remainder, I get a remainder 1. So generally speaking, taking a cue from this, I can write 47 as a multiple of 5 plus the remainder, right? That's how I can write 47. Likewise, 41 I can write as another multiple of 5 plus the remainder, right? So when I add these two, now it's very clear to see that 5m plus 2 plus 5n plus 1, this thing and this thing, they add up to another number which is again a multiple of 5, because 5m plus 5n, I can group them together. What I'm left with is 2 plus 1. This thing is 5 times m plus n and plus 2 plus 1, right? So what happens is that this part continues to be a multiple of 5, and the remainder when the sum is divided by 5 is equal to the sum of remainders. Now I have not added these up to show you that 2 is a remainder when 47 is divided by 5 and 1 is the remainder when 41 is divided by 5, right? So whenever I must divide a sum of two numbers and I need to find the remainder, then I simply need to add the two sums, right? So I need to add the remainder when 47 divided by 5 and the remainder when 41 divided by 5 to get my answer. Now let's see what happens when there is the difference of two numbers and I need to find the remainder. So what happens when I need to find 47 minus 41, right? So if this is divided by 5, what should be the remainder if I need to find this? Now 47, like I said, 5m plus 2 because the remainder is 2 minus 5n plus 1 because 1 is the remainder. So I get 5m plus 2 minus 5n plus 1, 5 times m minus n and plus 2 minus 1, right? So again, just like I had for sum of two numbers, I added the remainders, the respective remainders. This time whenever there is a difference of two numbers, I'll just subtract the two remainders, right? So I subtract the remainder from 47, I subtract the remainder from 41, 2 minus 1. So the answer here is 1, right? So the remainder when this sum is divided by 5 is 1, just like the remainder when this sum was divided by 5 is 2 plus 1, 3. Now let's see what happens when I multiply two numbers. Let's say I am multiplying 47 and 41. Now let's try to find out what happens when 47 and the product of 47 and 41, I need to find the remainder for this product. Now 47, like I expressed it earlier, is 5m plus 2. 41 is 5n plus 1. Let's multiply. Let's do multiply 5m with this bracket and then 2 with this bracket. So 5m into 5n is 25mn plus 5m plus 2 times 5 is 10n plus 2 into 1, right? So these are the four terms that I get when I multiply this bracket with this bracket. Now Out of these three terms, I can take out 5 common. So I get 5mn plus m plus 2n, right? That's what I get.